Hey guys, Greg here. I just went downstairs to get some coffee. The leasing company's putting on like a little event downstairs where you can go pick up coffee. And I picked up myself a little bit of a nitro cold brew. I'm supposed to have another hot day, but anyhow, speaking of hot days, I wanted to go over this LG portable air conditioner with you guys. If you're considering buying one, if you have a small place or you have a small space that you want to cool, it is probably going to be worth it. Now, if you live in Texas or a super hot and humid place, I don't know if I would really get one. But up here in Cincinnati, on hot days over 90 degrees, the LG portable air conditioner works great. At least it has for me. Now, the reason why I have it, I did not buy it. This is a leasing company's. In my condo that I'm renting right now, the compressor went out. So now what they have to do is they got to take this whole thing out. They said they're going to come in here and like be breaking down walls and stuff to get this thing out of here and put a whole new unit in. So I'm kind of frustrated with that. If this gets becomes a pain for me, I'm probably going to go to them and say, hey, I want to move up one. This place above me is empty. It's twice as big, but I'll just be like, hey, you know what? I'll pay the extra and let me go up there and forget all this stuff. But anyhow, I digress. Let me go over the LG portable air conditioner for you. Let me show it to you. This is what it looks like. I'm sure any of you that are looking to buy one, you know what it looks like. And I just want to go over it just briefly and just let you know what I think about it. So what I think about this right now is that it's keeping this whole place, this 620 square foot apartment right here, 620 square foot. You go over here, you got all the way over back here, and then the bedroom's back there. I want to go too much in my place. I want you guys showing you everything. Plus I don't have everything ready. I just moved in. I still got other stuff to do to make it look good. But this is cooling the whole place. And I have huge fans up there that helps too. So I'm impressed with that. The thing that I'm not impressed with is it's ugly. I got a piece of furniture sitting in my small apartment or condo right now. And also too, you have the tube. I do not like that. My first issue with these portable air conditioners was like, how does it condense the water? Because the air conditioner is going to produce water and it needs to, like a window unit, it drips, or like the other central air units, you know, they drip water out and they drain. I'm like, well, how does this thing work? Where does the water go? How do I take it out? I looked it up online. What the LG portable air conditioners will do is they will, they heat and they dissipate the water through heating it up through the processes in there. Now, if it does get too much water, there is a certain area in the back, like right back there, where you can drain it, and you just drain a little bit of water. I have not had to drain it at all. It has actually worked great. The other issue I have with it, it's loud. I'm gonna turn it on for you right now. This is low. Just give you an idea. That's low. Low is not too bad. Now low has a hard time keeping up with cooling it. If it's a hot day in Cincinnati, now here's high. See, it's gonna boost up in a second. There you go. So that's pretty loud. That's pretty loud. That's like, I don't like, when I'm in here, I don't like it on high. I just keep it on low like that. So you notice the difference. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. But it's 74 degrees in here. I'll show you that. This is at 6 feet. I don't know if you can see that. That's 74.8. That's at 6 feet height right now. So if you're sitting down, it's probably about 73 degrees in that area if you're down low. So I haven't had it on. I turned it off this morning at 6:30 in the morning when I got up, and it was 72 degrees in here, and now it's up to 74. It's supposed to be another hot day today. But overall, I'm very impressed with them. If you're considering buying one, if you don't mind the look of how it looks and having another piece of furniture in your place and having that tube, then I would buy one. They work great and your place is small. All right, see you in the next video.